Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you to the Asenema Waterfalls. This is our second destination of my tour with Move Africa in the eastern region. This falls is one of the hidden gems in the rainforest of the Equiapim Hills, just outside of Accra and north of Ebui. Asenema is 15 minutes drive from Ekupon and 5 minutes walk from the main road to the fall. As we get right into the video, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and let me know how you think in the comment section. Is Asenema a place you like to visit?
Wherever we go.